I think we can take LTO here. Should we try it out? It looks good here. I'm seeing it is opening up. The RSI is good. The RSI is correct. It's fine. The RSI is fine. We can go, wow, the RSI 12 is 85. The RSI, wow, 6 is 92. Oh my god. Then that means that it's going to be more than 80. Wow. But this is not RSI 14. Let me check RSI 24. I can manage that. This is going like slow motion. But RSI 24 is 77. I can work with that. Let's go with it. Let's go with $20. We'll just work with the $20 here. It's not picking up everything. So let's go with it and see whether we can buy. I'll be back shortly. Have we bought it? I'm trying to see. Is it bought? It looks like we haven't bought it. We're still in the queue. Okay. Wow. So maybe what I should do is I need to cancel this. Oh, I think it has bought, guys. It has bought. So we need to quickly set our sell limit. We need to quickly set our sell limit, guys. Look at it. We have bought it already. Oh, interesting. Look at LTO. LTO is racing. LTO is racing. If I click on sell and all of that, you can see that we are practically in profit, but we need to set this higher. So I'm going to put this at let me put this at 85. All right, let's see if we do this and put it at 85. Let's put it in the 100. Yeah, that is what, 20.76. That's like 3%. Do we want to try that out? Let me make it a little bit less. 83. Okay, I'll work with this. I'll work with 83. Let's put the 100%, so we can actually just have like 2.5 or 2.6, and let's go with that. All right. Yeah. So we're currently in the queue. Let's hope that we can get this sold. So we have LTO in Kucoin. Yeah, let's hope that we will get this sold quickly. We're at 179. We are heading to 183. Let's hope that will work. LTO has executed. Can you see that? This was a trade we placed like about 2 days ago. Is it 2 days? Yeah. And it has executed. Of course, when we bought it, started going down, and now we have been able to execute it. How much do we have here? So we bought it at I think we bought it at 19.98. Was it 19.98, something in that range? Yes. But anyway, this is how you'll see the profit. Let's see the profit. We have 20.29. I think we adjusted it a bit. I can't really remember. Anyway, this is just about, I think we made it 1.5. It was supposed to be 20.31 or thereabout. So don't forget that it will take its own 2 cents, which is the trading fee of 0.1%. So we made 29 cents on top of that, almost 30 cents, you know. So if you look at it, it's like 1.45, right? So we made 29 cents. If you go check what that is, you will see. Let me just back in there. We'll just check what that is, right, and see in our calculator so that we have an idea of what we are talking about. So we've got 20. I just put 20 there, times 1.49. Yes, I think that's just about it. 1.48. Yes, something in that range. This is exactly what we got. 1.48. That's what we got, because it was 29 cents. It was 29 cents plus a little bit of extra. So that's 1.48. Okay, that's what we made on LTO inside of Kucoin.